Wurkkos sent this light over to the channel. This is an HD17, and as you know, I really like Wurkkos products, so I'm kind of excited to see what this one is all about. It is a headlamp. That's something I use all the time because I'm typically finding myself out late at night working on different equipment. Inside the box, you're going to find the head strap and the bracket that the flashlight clips to. You're going to find a USB A to C charging cable, the flashlight itself, and the manual. Right off the bat, you're going to notice that this is extremely unique for a headlight. It actually has lots of features, and some of them I really like. It has the capability of being a floodlight, a spotlight, and it has a red light, and I really like red light modes, as most of the people who follow my channel know that the red light's easier on your eyes and it keeps the bugs away. Now, taking a look at the top of the flashlight, you can see that there is a charging port built right in. The flashlight uses a standard 18650 cell. This particular one is 3000 milliamp hours. Located on the other end is a rotary knob. We'll talk about how that works in a little bit, but there's also a push button right on the end of that rotary knob. The side of the flashlight where you put the battery in is also magnetic, and the way the headband works regarding the flashlight, it just clips into place. It's also held firmly, but it has a clickable position, so you can put it into position and there's little clicky spots that kind of catch it. That way it doesn't want to roll down or fold down on you. It's going to stay in place. And regarding that headband, it is made of a very good material. It has a little bit of stretch to it, and it also has a top strap keeping it from sliding down on your forehead. Also included is a clip. You can put this clip on either side of the flashlight. That way, if you just want to clip it to yourself or clip it to something, you can certainly do that as well. Operation is extremely simple because of this dial. There's basically 4 positions. There is off, spotlight, floodlight, and red light mode. The button on the end controls the intensity or the brightness of those lights. In spotlight mode, we are in eco mode. This will last 236 hours of runtime if the battery is fully charged. Low, medium, high, and a double tap will put you in turbo mode. I'm feeling a lot of heat on my hand. This flashlight is extremely bright. Let's go ahead and rotate that knob into floodlight mode. And again, it's the same operation. 236 hours in eco mode, low, medium, high. 2 clicks give you turbo. Let's go ahead and select R for red light mode. This is low, this is medium, and this is high. And if you do a double click, it'll go into strobe mode. So that should get somebody's attention in case you need somebody's attention. We are currently in my backyard. It is relatively dark, and I do have the flashlight in spot mode, and you can see the throw is quite impressive. Actually, the throw is way more than I expected for a flashlight of this size. And right now I have the flashlight strapped to my head, and the flashlight is in high mode on flood, and as you can see, you could definitely work on just about anything with this kind of light. Right now the flashlight is set to high mode. It is set to red. It is still strapped to my head, and as you can see, you could definitely work under these light conditions. And of course, we like red lights because they're easier on your eyes and they don't attract the bugs as bad. So what are my final thoughts of this headlight? Well, it is made by Wurkkos. That tells us that the quality is there and it's going to last a very long time. As expected out of Wurkkos, it's jammed full of features. Having the option of a flood and a spot on a headlight is awesome, and having that red light feature, well, everybody knows I like red lights. I'm going to tell you right now, this headlight is going in my service truck and it will replace the current headlight that I have right now. I like it that much. If you're interested in purchasing one, I will put an affiliate link down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.